Hello friends. If you're looking for a budget monitor under rupees 3000, whether it's for online classes, basic office work or even CCTV monitoring, then this video is just for you. Today, we'll talk about some of the best budget monitors in India for 2025, all priced under rupees 3000. All the product links discussed in this video can be found in the description box and the pinned comment. You can click there to check the latest pricing. If you find the video helpful or informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started without any delay. The number 3 on our today's list is Geonix PC Monitor. This monitor offers an LED panel of 19.5 inches, which is 49.53 centimeters. As for the resolution of this one, it will provide you a 1600 by 900 pixels, which is HD+. If we talk about ports, it comes with both HDMI and VGA output. For the panel type, it has LED display with the standard viewing angles. If we talk about the power consumption, it only uses 21 watt max, making it very energy efficient. As for the warranty, this one comes with a 3-year warranty, which is rare in this budget segment. This monitor is perfect for people who need a basic work setup like Excel tasks, browsing, or watching regular videos. The number 2 on our today's list is Zebronics Monitor. This one is from a popular Indian brand, which is obviously Zebronics. The display size of this one is 18.5 inches. The resolution is 1366 by 768 pixels, which is basic HD. This one also has both HDMI and VGA ports connectivity available here. As for the color support, it supports 16.7 million colors for decent visual clarity. The designing of this product is also very nice. It has a glossy front panel with a slim and stylish body. It is also a wall mountable product, so it saves desk space as well. This is a compact and stylish option, especially suitable for users with limited desk space. Now, the number 1 recommendation for today is Frontech Monitor. This is our final product and it gives a size advantage. The display size of this one is 20 inches, the largest among the 3. The resolution is again of 1600 by 900 pixels, offering sharper visuals. It has a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is enough for daily tasks. This one also comes with both HDMI and VGA ports. And this one also supports 16.7 million colors for clear visuals. As for the designing, it has slim, stylish body, and this one is also wall mountable. As for the power supply, it has built-in power, so no bulky adapters required. This monitor is ideal for those who prefer a larger screen, like for watching videos, monitoring feeds, or light photo editing. You can now see a comparison chart on your screen with all the details we just discussed. This will help you choose the right product based on your specific needs. So friends, if you are buying a monitor under rupees 3000, Geonix is best for warranty and energy efficiency. Zebronics is great for compact and stylish design, and Frontech offers the largest screen size and built-in power supply. Choose the perfect match depending on your usage. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more honest tech videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know in the comments which monitor you liked the most. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.